Hi everybody. Today in this video we're going to be doing the review of the Zoom H1 audio recorder. It's really a cheap value for the great quality that you get. They call it a handy recorder, and that really is. It's a handy thing. You can carry it around and record audio. So let's get started. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get the latest updates first. So welcome to my channel. You are watching Kumar Creations, and today in this video we're going to be doing the review of the Zoom H1 audio recorder. If you are a YouTuber and if you think audio is part of your daily job, if you are into any profession that you think audio is part of your day-to-day activity, then I recommend this device 100%. I've been using this device for 7-8 months, and the quality and the results that I'm getting out of this, it's really outstanding. So I'm able to impress my clients. So this device is performing pretty well, and I'm going to show you the features and the settings that you need to take care to start recording out of this device. So here, if you see, this is the box itself. This is a manual. And with the box, you get an adapter with a 2 GB memory card. And this is a device. And with the device, you get a AA battery. So this is a slot where you can remove and just plug in your memory card inside the device. And put your AA battery inside the slot. On one side, you have the USB port, which you can actually use as a desktop microphone. Above that, you have the power button and the hold switch, and above that you have the delete button and your playback controls. Right above that you have the input levels, so you can adjust the sensitivity of the microphone. And finally you have the line in, so if you want to use let's say you want to plug in your lavalier microphone, you can go ahead and plug it directly and record audio to it. On the other side, we have a line out, so you can go ahead and plug in your headphones and listen to your recording in real time. And below that you have the volume controls for your playback. Down towards the bottom you have your micro SD card slot, and Zoom provides you a 2 GB card. On the bottom of the device there is a microphone which is really not of that good quality, but it's great that you have it just so that you can actually know that you're recording something. On the back you have a few switches for your low cut filter, auto levels and recording format, which is WAV and MP3. You also have your standard tripod mount below. Also you have a slot for your battery, which takes a AA battery. On the front you have the LCD screen that lets you see everything that you're doing, including level meters. And below that you have the record button. At the very top you see a little light, which is a peak meter, which is something that I'm really glad they have included, so that you know that your audio isn't getting distorted. And last but not the least, you have 2 stereo microphones which record in an XY pattern real quick. So let's go ahead and do a small test with this audio recorder. So I'm going to give you a demo with my onboard microphone that is there in the camera, and then I'm going to use this external microphone. So for this, let me just unplug my lav mic for the moment. So I've just removed my lav mic. So you could probably feel the difference, you could probably see the difference, how it actually sounds now. So now I'm going to switch on this sound recorder, and let's check out how this is going to turn on. So I'm going to turn on this device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my low cut on. I'm going to keep the auto levels off, and I'm going to make sure my format is always in the WAV. So that WAV, I get the uncompressed audio output, and the quality also will be pretty high. And I'm going to hit the red button, record button here. So now the audio that you're able to listen is via the audio recorder, the Zoom H1, and if you see, the audio quality is very good. I'm also going to show you another a small add-on. So this is basically a pop filter that I ordered from Amazon. Now you might have a question, okay, what is this and what is this used for? Now for example, in a scenarios wherein, let's say you are standing outside and if there is a heavy wind blowing, so what happens is, like, usually the wind distracts, and there will be a lot of noise that enters through the device. Just to avoid the wind hitting directly to the microphone, what we do is we kind of add this. So I'm going to demonstrate this. I'm going to switch on my fan. So let's see if this is going to give you the right thing what I'm trying to say. Right now, just to avoid that, what I do is I kind of add this pop filter on top of my microphone. Now it is minimalized, it kind of filters, and my audio quality is better. So that's the main purpose of using this pop filter. So I'll leave the link below the description, so make sure you go ahead and check it. So apart from that, there are also other add-ons that you can buy, a basic accessory kit from Amazon. So here if you see, spending another 2,450 rupees at Amazon, you get a Zoom H1 accessory pack, and for the price you get a tripod stand, you get a charger with the cable, you get a small pouch wherein you can fit in your Zoom recorder inside for a safety purpose. You get a handheld just in case if you have to hold the recorder or on hand. So probably you can just use this stand, and you also get this pop filter. So they call it as a windshield. So so that's what it is. So if you're interested, you can just go ahead and grab this pack as well. So I'll just leave the link below in the description. So make sure you go ahead and check this out. Thank you very much for watching this video till end. So on my next video, I'm going to show you how you can mount this audio device to your DSLR as an external mic. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up and make sure you share this video across your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click that bell icon to get the latest updates first. So for now, let me wind this up, and I'm going to be coming back very soon with my next video. Until then, this is Prashant signing off. Take care. Bye.